Hello everyone. For those who don't know me, my name is Abdurrahman. I'm currently studying computer science and cybersecurity. My team and I aimed to make a student's life easier by developing a student advice platform. This platform is designed for those interested in joining the University of Plymouth, as well as existing students who are navigating their academic journey at the university and looking for a solution to any of the challenges or confusion they are experiencing. Some of the difficulties that students, including myself, faced are lack of information about university life, difficulty adapting to academic and social environment, which leads to increased stress and confusion among students, potential for academic performance, and difficulty making friends. Some of these challenges can be addressed by offering a platform that supports and guides students through communication among themselves, allowing them to express their opinions or solutions based on their experiences with similar issues. After an introduction about the platform, my colleague Salman will discuss its design.
Hello, my name is Samal Hamad and I was responsible for the low fidelity prototype. So at the beginning I did a lot of research on how to make a good design for our website. So to ensure that we get the best design outcomes. And this is how the low fidelity that's how the first low fidelity design looked like. So that was on the left you have the chat page, the review and advice, and on the right you have the courses page. So usability testings were made and surveys were made to ensure that we have the best simple and easy buttons to navigate and simple design for users to use. So that's how the chat page looked like after. So there is likes, there is sort by newest and most likes, there is report buttons, there is add a picture or a file. So that's how the sign in page looked like after the testings, and that's how the sign up page looks like after the testings too. So there's a phone number which is optional, and a question here to ask if the user is in Plymouth University or not, and he can choose his course also. And that's how the report page would look like, and his profile page would look like.
My name is Munawar Al-Harbi. I've worked in high fidelity design and HTML with CSS. Sign up and sign in pages. The platform begins with a simple sign up and sign in pages. Users can create an account or log in using their email and password. The layout is clean and modern to make access quick and easy for all users. Profile page. After logging in, users can direct it to their profile page. It displays the user's full name and user type. There is also a log out button for security and easy exit. In the home page, once signed in, users land on the home page. This page offers access to the three main sections: courses, chat, and the map, allowing users to navigate the platform smoothly. In the course overview page, the course page presents all the university colleges and departments in colored cards. Each card represents a faculty such as engineering or medical or business. This makes browsing more organized and visually clear. In the course reviews pages, each course includes a review section. Here, students can read and feedback, see the star ratings based on real experience. This helps the student to choose the right course and post on honest reviews. Course Advanced page. The page allows the student to share advice about the course, such as study types. Chat forum. The chat page includes several chat posts on different topics. Students can join a room, ask questions, discuss ideas. Finally, the campus map. The platform provides an interactive campus map which shows the location of buildings and important places.
Hello again. For the back-end development, I start by setting up the Laravel project structure and environment. First, I used Blade for creating views, which allows me to design user interfaces effectively. Next, I used Route to navigate between different pages on the platform. Finally, I use Controller to separate the logic from the rest of the code. This enabled me to change the code safely without disrupting the views. Now, allow me please to show you the student journey within the platform. First, the student needs to create an account. I already have an account, so I'll proceed by clicking on the college and search for a major. Then I will click on the follow major button, which will take me to the reviews and advice interfaces. Next, we have the general chat feature. Here, they can inquire about recommended places and also post announcement about used items like second-hand items for sales, benefiting other students. Additionally, a student can inform other students if there are any vacant accommodation available. We also have search bar to help user find specific topics among many messages. Then we have the map feature, which is a dynamic map of a Plymouth showcasing the campus and its buildings. Additionally, we have profile section. You can here write a description about yourself. It includes also your name, your email, your password, your phone number, your major, you want a light or dark mode, and you can save it. And finally, we have got the notification icon, whether you would like it on or off. It has been an absolute pleasure to present this part. Now I will leave you with my colleague Maha.
Hi, I'm Maha. Due to the time and experience limitations, we couldn't develop admin dashboard. I will now show you how I added the data as you can see here. First, we moved to the table for exam, the course table. Then we added the data title name. Image, we type the image link here. Or we can also best at. And we filled the description field, the specialization ID, background color, create at, and update at. So you see the field insert here, and that's how I added the data.
Hello, my name is Samal Hamad, and I was responsible for the user acceptance testings. So we had several tests that were made. We started with design testings on the low fidelity prototype and high fidelity prototype. We used usability testings and surveys before starting the front end development using HTML and CSS. After we finished our platform, we used case testings to make sure all the functionalities of the platform work and make sure all the buttons do its right job navigating the right page. So in conclusion, the main problem was students struggling to choose a course before getting into the university or students adapting their university life. So the solution is we developed a platform that helps new students adapt, get advice and reviews on courses and university life, and for students that haven't joined university yet to choose the right course for them. So for the development, we used low fidelity prototype first, then we used high fidelity prototype, front end development, back end development, and database development. So the technologies we used was Figma, HTML, CSS, and PHP Laravel. The results were achieved. The platform was tested by new students who received a positive feedback to make sure everything works fine and the platform does its job. And thank you.